So to conclude, there are some challenges that we made with the GDPR, scalability, privacy, and so on. But it's really an emerging technology, and there are many new progress that are made every day. Looking at scalability issues, there are some progress made around sharding, like for Ethereum. All the nodes don't need to know the information of all other nodes. There are off-chain transactions that can be done with some constraints. Regarding privacy, by default, everything is clear text. You can read everything on the blockchain. So if you want to put private data on a blockchain, you have to encrypt it before, and you have to decrypt it later. So if you want to share a secret around among different participants, you have to apply some classical cryptography techniques that are separate from blockchain, but you have to do it on the other side. There are also many hardware technologies that are made right now, including by French companies. Another issue that you can meet if you use a public blockchain is the transaction fees problem, because if you want to use Bitcoin or Ethereum blockchain, each time you submit a transaction, you have to pay the miners to be able to see your transaction mined. If you don't pay, they will reject your transaction. So this is normal because they will support the network, so you have to pay them. If you use a private blockchain, you don't have to pay the fees because you will support the infrastructure. But now there are new public blockchains that are free or almost free, like Stellar, EOS, or DAG-based decentralized ledger technologies. Another issue is the fact that when you deploy a smart contract, it's deployed forever and you cannot change it. So if there are some transactions, if some transactions happen on this contract, this contract cannot be changed afterwards. So you have to be sure that the contract has no bug. So there are some languages that allow formal verification before you deploy the contract, and there are also different tools that are being built right now. And that's it for my presentation. Thank you.